Welcome. This is Mahindra University. We are launching School of Law from this academic year, and you are now seeing the Moot Court Hall. The Moot Court Hall is part of infrastructure for the teaching of practical training to budding lawyers. The university aims at producing just society. The ultimate goal of law, ultimate goal of education is civilized society and just society. And the School of Law aims at creating a just society, and it equips the people, students, to be a better member of a just society. Jnanarthe pravesham, sevarthe prasthanam. This is a Sanskrit saying. We have to enter educational institutions to learn, and then go out of educational institution of learning to serve the society. The School of Law, Mahindra University, from this academic year, that is 2021-2022, is offering two streams of law courses. They are called 5-year integrated courses, BA LLB and BBA LLB. BA LLB, BBA LLB are the courses which are designed by Bar Council of India. They prescribe certain compulsory subjects and which we generally definitely teach. Apart from the BCA prescribed compulsory courses, the Mahindra University is going to offer certain value addition courses which will equip students to enter into society as a socially relevant lawyer. After the classroom, the most important learning center is the library, and this is the beginning of the library. We are expanding it further. So here you will find the law journals, law reporters, textbooks and various other books other than textbooks, research books, reference books and various other sources of learning. And apart from what you are seeing, you will also have a e-resource library. Through computer, you can access to various books, thousands of journals, international journals, and develop your instinct for research and develop your research articles for writing for journals. For 120 students to begin with, we have already recruited 24 faculty members who are mostly PhD holders coming from reputed national law schools and international law schools where they did their specialization in post-graduation. We are in Hyderabad city, which is known as one of the most living cities of this world. Better season, better atmosphere and wonderful campus of 130 acres green land. Within this, we have well-equipped classrooms. We are in corridors of knowledge. Apart from classroom and library, we learn through several other methods like moot courts, where a model court is designed and a fake problem is created, and a created problem will be discussed, analyzed, concepts are presented, and then argument is built up. And then we have mock trials. In mock trials, what happens? We conduct a model trial, and then we have legal aid clinics. Several methods of practically learning the law is part of curriculum and extracurricular activities of Mahindra Law School. The university will assist the students to find better placements and better internship for learning. Albert Einstein says, a few of us are privileged to be educated, and if we are educated in such a wonderful atmosphere, it is our duty to educate others. Albert Einstein reminds us, it is a privilege of course, but it's a duty to educate others. So come, let us join in this educational institution, learn more and go out and educate the people and build a just society.